Cyviz designs and delivers world-class environments, rooms, spaces for collaboration and decision-making that offer a fantastic user experience. Data analytics software today offers organizations multiple ways to visualize and drill down into their data. So Cyviz plays a key role in allowing them to actually visualize ever increasingly large volumes of data in a dynamic and interactive way, which allows users to actually come together, collaborate, and come to the right decision.
Well, TIBCO is all about bringing data to different personas in order for people to collaborate, right? And we actually have the opportunity to work with Cyviz because Cyviz actually provides the hardware platform which allow us to demonstrate that capability in order for us to collaborate, get the insight, and then take an action. And with Cyviz, the experience of using analytics has multiplied significantly, and everybody can now appreciate data better. With the explosion of IoT, big data is here to stay. What we are getting is a lot of influx of data that is collected through multiple sources. In order to make sense of this data, big data is the only way to properly store it, and then for us to actually analyze it, it actually requires a significant resources. So I think at the end of the day, right, the big data analytics is actually this is the way to go. We are no longer in a situation where we can decide we want to do it or don't want to do it. It is here to stay, and it's for everybody.
So the physical space is becoming increasingly important as organizations look for new technologies like AI and machine learning to solve some of the challenges, but also free up time for their users to be able to work together and tackle even more complex problems that the technology alone is not able to actually address. So organizations are seeing increasingly more value of bringing multidisciplinary teams together, allowing them to work with higher volumes of data, and bringing teams together, individuals having their own data assets, being able to compare and contrast them dynamically and in real time.